Imagine our solar system a quiet cosmic neighborhood, the sun at its center, planets tracing ancient paths. For ages we thought we were isolated, but the universe is a connected sea and sometimes things from distant stars wash ashore. These are interstellar visitors objects forged around other stars, wandering for eons before stumbling into our corner of the cosmos. They are messengers from other worlds carrying secrets we can only dream of. Before now, we'd only met two Oumuamua in 2017, a strange, tumbling enigma, and Borisov in 2019, a comet much like our own. Now a third guest, 3I Atlas, discovered by the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System. Each visitor is a unique data point in our quest to understand the galaxy. Is Oumuamua the exception or the rule? Is Borisov typical? 3I Atlas could be the tiebreaker. Its trajectory, composition, and behavior are clues to its home system and the processes that build worlds across the Milky Way. This visitor is on a hyperbolic path unbound by our sun, just passing through. Its fleeting passage is our only chance to study it. A limited time offer from the cosmos. To see it, to learn from it, we must act quickly. The clock is ticking. The vastness of space waits for no one. Will we seize this moment, or let another cosmic messenger slip away? When 3I Atlas appeared, it sparked bold ideas. Astronomer Avi Loeb suggested repurposing NASA's Juno spacecraft already orbiting Jupiter for a daring chase. The plan used Jupiter's gravity to slingshot Juno onto a new trajectory to intercept the interstellar visitor. Imagine, Juno, built for Jupiter, becoming our first emissary to touch a piece of another solar system. The mission would require political will, funding, and a major extension of Juno's life. The scientific payoff? Unprecedented. We'd go from blurry telescope images to a close-up study of an interstellar object. The timing and technology seemed almost serendipitous. Could we really pivot Juno into the first interstellar object interceptor? The idea ignited excitement among scientists and space enthusiasts. But could ambition overcome the realities of space? Space is vast and unforgiving. The dream of sending Juno to intercept 3I Atlas runs into harsh realities. Juno's orbit around Jupiter is stable, but changing course to chase a fast-moving object requires more fuel than it has. Even with enough fuel, the timing is off. The window for a Jupiter slingshot likely closed before we even discovered Atlas. Juno's instruments are designed for Jupiter, not for analyzing a small, icy interstellar object. It's like sending a submarine to study a mountain, possible but not ideal. The dream of a Juno intercept remains just that, a dream. The universe doesn't always accommodate our wishes. This challenge highlights the need for rapid response missions ready to launch when the next interstellar visitor appears. Until then, we must look for other ways to seize these fleeting opportunities. The laws of physics are strict, and our resources are finite. Sometimes ambition must wait for the right tools. If Juno can't reach Atlas, are there other hopes? Scientists have turned to other spacecraft, those orbiting Mars, or ESA's JUICE mission, hoping for even a distant glimpse. These observations may only capture a point of light, but every photon is a clue. International cooperation is key. These interstellar objects are a global phenomenon. They are physical samples from other star systems, offering a rare chance to study the building blocks of planets across the galaxy. The window to study 3I Atlas is short. Soon, it will fade back into the interstellar darkness. The urgency is real. These fleeting encounters are our only way to touch worlds beyond our own. Each visitor, whether intercepted or observed from afar, brings us closer to understanding our place in the universe. The cosmos offers us these moments. Will we be ready next time?